friends, I'm back with a quick and easy dessert recipe with jackfruit. You know, I've been explaining the benefits of jackfruit, and this is a very quick and easy recipe and healthy recipe. This is made with ripe jackfruit. I have explained the benefits of jackfruit, the pods, and all the details I have given in my previous video. You can check it if you want. So this will be a very quick and easy recipe. I am having the pods without the seeds. I have ground them into a paste and will be using that paste to make this recipe. This is a quick dessert made in festival times in India, south of India. So we'll get into the process soon. So I'll be using jaggery for that. We'll take some jaggery. Here I have got some jaggery. I'll put it in a pan with some water just to dip it and allow it to boil just till the jaggery pieces melt down. So here I have taken some ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee in a saucepan, and to that I'll be adding the pods which I have ground along with some jaggery. So first I am taking some semolina, about 2 tablespoons of semolina, and just roast it with the ghee just for 5 minutes. This will give a texture to the dessert, or halwa we call it in India. So I've got this roasted semolina and also roasted cashew nuts. Here I have taken the ground jackfruit pods. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of thick coconut milk, and also I have added the jaggery that we melted. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder just to give a flavor, and just keep mixing it. You can see it will slightly solidify, so be careful when you are stirring it. Now I am mixing the semolina that we roasted. This will give a texture, so just you have to be patient, and it takes time to get solidified, and keep sauteing it. Now you can see that it is beginning to solidify. So it will become like a hard cake. That is the time we stop. Now I'm adding some cashews that we roasted, and again keep mixing. And now you can see it is solidified and almost ready. Now I am going to take it on a greased plate. Allow it to cool, and then I'll cut into the pieces. So that is the recipe of a healthy dessert. This recipe is loved by everyone. You can adjust the level of jaggery according to your taste and sweetness. If the fruit is very ripe and very sweet, you can reduce the amount, so that way you can adjust. So we have to wait till the ghee or the clarified butter leaves the jackfruit. So here I am taking it on a greased plate, and then level it up and make slices of it. You can serve it cooled or hot, any way you like it. You can serve it with ice cream or eat it as it is. So here I am leveling it, and my dessert is ready. I hope you will like this recipe. Please do share it with your family and friends and motivate me by subscribing to my channel. Your motivation is important to me. Please do subscribe to my channel. Here you can see I have leveled it up, and now I'll be making pieces. You can make it as you like, diamond shaped or square, and serve it. You can see this is a very quick and easy recipe. This is done in festivals in the south of India, in the state of Kerala. It's a very usual recipe made in the festival times. Here I am slicing the dessert, and now we can serve it and enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Please do try this recipe. This dessert is available in all the shops in the south of India. You can buy it. You can enjoy. This is a very famous recipe that is made during the festival times, and people enjoy it. You can see how nicely it has come. Definitely do try this recipe and taste it. Thank you.